In this video, I'll show you how you can change your League of Legends account email. What you want to do is you want to head over to riotgames.com. From in here, sign into your account and then go to settings. Now the settings page should look like this, and in here you want to go to personal information, and under here there should be an email address. What you want to do is simply just delete the email and type in your new email. Obviously it needs to be a real email, and then save and verify, and then you just have to confirm with your old email that you want to change it. So you'll get a confirmation code and you want to type that one in. So that's basically how you can change the email. Now if you don't have access to the old email, what you can do is you can send them a ticket. So just go to the support page and find submit a ticket. Now keep in mind it can take a long time for them to answer, but this is basically how you can do it, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.